In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a new user account in Google Workspace. Adding a new user is an essential task for any organization, whether you're onboarding a new employee, giving access to a contractor, or simply expanding your team. The steps are simple once you know where everything is located, and this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly from start to finish. To begin, open your Google Workspace environment. This is the central hub where all of your business productivity tools live, including Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. Once you're inside, the next step is to locate the admin console. This console is your control center for managing users, permissions, domain settings, and all other administrative functions. It's usually easy to spot among the available options. When you click on the admin console, you'll be prompted to sign in using your business email. This is necessary because only authorized admin accounts can make changes to user settings. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Google Apps menu. This menu contains shortcuts to multiple Google services, but the one you want to select is the admin icon. Clicking this icon takes you directly into the full administrative dashboard. Inside the dashboard, navigate to the Directories section. This area acts as the master list of everyone who already has access to your organization's Google Workspace. It's where you can manage existing accounts, update roles, and of course, add new users. Once you're in the directory, select the option labeled Users. This will load a page displaying all existing user accounts tied to your domain. Now you're ready for the key part of the setup. Look for the button that says Add New User. It's usually clearly labeled, making it easy to find. Clicking this button opens a form where you'll enter the information for the new user. You'll need to provide details such as the person's name, the email address you want them to use under your domain, and any other required fields depending on your organization's settings. Take your time to make sure the information is accurate, especially the spelling of names and email formats. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button. This action creates the new account instantly and generates login credentials for the user. They can then sign in, set up their password, and immediately start using Gmail, Drive, Docs, and all other available Workspace tools. Before you finish, it's a good idea to check whether your current Google Workspace plan supports adding more users. If you've reached your limit, you may need to upgrade your plan before you can continue expanding your team. With all steps completed, you've successfully created a new user account in Google Workspace. This simple but important task keeps your organization running smoothly, ensuring everyone has the access they need to collaborate and work efficiently.